everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching material cost. Second, stock levels. Let us understand what are stock levels. Materials or inventory control necessitates the maintenance of every item of material at such a level that there is neither overstocking nor understocking. So stock levels means the quantity or number of goods or raw material kept on the premises of a shop or a business. Lead time. Now let us understand what is lead time. The time between the initiation, that means the start or beginning, and completion of a production process. Date of placing an order, for example 21st October 2020. Lead time, for example 5 to 9 days. And date of execution of an order, for example 28 October 2020. So the lead time, that is 5th day, will be minimum lead time. The day between 5 to 9 days, that is 6, 7 and 8, will be the normal lead time, and the 9th day will be the maximum lead time. So average lead time will be equal to minimum lead time plus maximum lead time divided by 2. Second, consumption. So consumptions are divided into 3 parts. That is minimum consumption, normal consumption and maximum consumption. So average consumption is equal to minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. Now let us understand what are reorder level. Reorder level lies between minimum and the maximum level in such a way that before the material ordered is received into the stores, there is sufficient quantity on hand to cover both normal and abnormal consumption situations. So in other words, we can say that it is the level at which fresh orders should be placed for replacement of stocks. Formula for reorder level. First, according to conservative approach, reorder level will be equal to maximum lead time into maximum consumption plus safety stock. Second, according to optimistic approach, reorder level will be equal to normal lead time into normal consumption plus safety stock. Now let us understand what is minimum stock level. Minimum level indicates the lowest figure of inventory balance which must be maintained in hand at all times so that there is no stoppage of production due to non-availability of inventory. Formula for minimum stock level. Minimum stock level is equal to reorder level minus normal lead time into normal consumption. Now let us understand what is maximum stock level. Maximum stock level indicates the maximum figure of inventory quantity to be held in stock at any time. Formula for maximum stock level. Maximum stock level is equal to reorder level minus minimum lead time into minimum consumption plus EOQ. that is economic order quantity. Average inventory level. This level of stock may be determined by using the formula. First, according to traditional approach, average inventory level is equal to minimum stock level plus maximum stock level divided by 2. Second, according to modern approach, average inventory level will be equal to EOQ, which is economic order quantity, divided by 2 plus minimum stock level. Next, danger level. Danger level is the level at which normal issues of material are stopped and only emergency issues are made. So, danger level is a level usually below the minimum level. When the stock reaches danger level, an urgent action for purchase is initiated. Formula for danger level. Danger level is equal to emergency lead time into normal consumption.